Hey everyone, my name is Chris and I'm a tech creator. Welcome to a brand new beginning on this channel. Today, we're exploring the future of AI. So let's get inspired and innovate together. Since this is my very first vlog, your support means a lot. Every like and subscription motivates me for this community. On this channel, we will explore the latest AI tools. Now, let's explore the amazing AI tool.
Let's get started. Today, I'll show you how to create amazing AI-generated videos completely free using ChatGPT, Nano Banana, Veo 3, and ElevenLabs.
First, we start with ChatGPT. Just sign up for free and use it to instantly generate scripts, video ideas, and full content in seconds. Perfect for creators. Next is Nano Banana. This tool turns your ideas into stunning AI images. You just describe what you want, and it creates high-quality visuals in seconds. Then we use Veo 3. It takes your images and turns them into realistic, cinematic videos with motion, lighting, and depth. And ElevenLabs to create natural AI voice. By combining all these AI tools together, you can create high-quality cinematic videos, images, and voiceovers exactly how you want. I made this tutorial just for you, so have a look and see how easily you can create cinematic AI videos using simple free tools. Before you leave, check out the final video attached at the end. The result is truly cinematic and looks amazing. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI tutorials like this.
The world is always moving, always asking for more. But here, with the ocean beside me, the wind on my face, and the sun slowly fading into the horizon, everything feels different. For a moment, there is nothing to chase. Just freedom, just peace.